iREP Security eLeave. Tap on eLeave. There are 3 functions here. Leave application, history and balance. Johnny can check his leave balance in the current year as well as from the previous year. Tap on the plus icon to view leave entitlements. Back to menu, we will now apply for leave. First, select the type of leave that you want to apply for. The system will automatically display the number of days remaining for the particular leave type, in this case, annual leave. Specify the leave date, and approving officer. For event dates or busy days, management can introduce date blockers to prevent employees from taking leave. Once leave is applied, approving officer will be notified via iNotify. Likewise, once the leave is approved, leave applicant will receive a notification from iNotify, and the remaining leave will be updated. For block leave, if there is a rest day within the leave period, it can be indicated here. Double confirm that everything is correct and submit. When logged in with an authorized account, there will be an additional option under eLeave, which is Leave Management. Tap on Leave Management. Applications awaiting approval will be shown here. Tap again to see more details and respond. Optionally, add remarks. Then approve or reject. Once the response is submitted, a notification will be sent to the applicant. For leave application on iREPPro.com, proceed to eLeave. Indicate the leave type. And on the right side we have a simple overview. Specify the leave details accordingly, then double confirm and submit. Similar to the mobile version, employees can also view their leave history and balance here. When logged in with an authorized account, proceed to Leave Management. Leave applications pending for approval will be shown here. We can approve using this icon, or the checkbox if there are multiple applications. Confirm approval, and a notification will be sent to the applicant. We can view leave history here, and upload any medical certificates submitted by employees. Management can also make setting adjustments here. Thank you for watching. That is all for iREP Security eLeave.